Dear students, today we continue to learn from subject maths, lesson number 1, Introduction to Geometrical Figures, Edges and Corners. But before that we see, Sonu's grandma gave her this burfi. Look at this piece of burfi. What is the shape of burfi? Well, this piece of burfi is a quadrilateral in shape. A quadrilateral has 4 edges and 4 corners. Now see, these are the edges 1, 2, 3 and 4. And see, these are the corners 1, 2, 3 and 4. Have you understood? These are the edges and these are the corners. Now let's take a small test. See this table. Observe the surface of a table. The surface means this portion. Can you tell me now how many edges does the surface have? That's correct. The surface of the table has 4 edges. How many corners does the surface have? Very good. It has 4 corners. Now the last question. What is the shape of the surface of the table? The shape of the surface of the table is rectangular. Now we see the figure rectangle. Students, let's take a rectangular sheet of paper as shown in the picture. How many edges and how many corners does a rectangle have? A rectangle has 4 corners and 4 edges. Now let's fold the paper in the middle to bring the opposite edges together. What do you see? The longer side falls exactly on the opposite side. Now we fold other side too. The shorter side falls exactly on the side opposite too. So dear students, the opposite edges of a rectangle are of equal length. Now we draw this figure of rectangle in your notebook. Now we see the figure square. Take a look at a handkerchief. It is a square. How many edges and how many corners does a square have? Well, a square has 4 edges and 4 corners. Now fold the handkerchief in the middle from the top to bottom as well as from side to see if the opposite sides are of equal length. Now we shall fold the handkerchief as shown alongside to find out each corner falls exactly on the one opposite. The corners match and so do the edges that make them up. The opposite sides are of equal length. So all the edges of a square are of equal length. Now we see the triangle. Note that we got a triangle when we folded the handkerchief. Let's answer some questions. How many edges does a triangle have and how many corners? A triangle has 3 edges and 3 corners. Now draw this figure of square in your notebook. Find the shape in your surroundings. For example, a birthday cap, an ice cream cone, mobile phone, the battery cell, water bottle, etc. Now let's do the exercise. Complete the table below. Now you have to tell me the name of the figure. The first figure is quadrilaterals. Number of edges 4. Number of corners 4. Second figure is rectangle. Number of edges 4. Number of corners 4. Third figure is square. Number of edges 4. Number of corners 4. Fourth figure is triangle. Number of edges 3. Number of corners 3. Last is a circle. Number of edges 1. Number of corners 0. Now we see how to make a 5-piece tangram. Take a square piece of paper. Find the center of the paper by folding it twice. Also, mark the centers of all the 4 edges. Draw lines to join the centers of the sides and the center of the square. Now make 5 pieces of squares by cutting the lines. Using the tangram here, answer the following questions. How many triangles are there in your tangram? Triangle number 1, 3 and 4. So there are 3 triangles in a tangram. Second question, are all the triangles alike? If you notice that all the triangles are not alike, can you join of the triangles to make a square? Well, if we see properly, we can join 2 triangles together to form a square, that is triangle number 1 and 4. Can we join 2 of the triangles to make a big triangle? That can be also done as well. If we join triangles 1 and 4, we can form a big triangles. Now how many squares are there in this tangram and how many quadrilaterals? Well, there is only one square, that is number 5, and one quadrilateral, that is number 2 in the tangram. Now dear students, do this activity in your textbook and notebook. In the picture below, identify the figures drawn on the dotted paper. Color the triangles red, squares blue and the rectangle green. Have a nice day. Thank you.